Welcome to this OptimizePress Clubhouse update. Today's template is called Flair. Here it is on the screen as you're looking at it right now. We've got this large gradient area in this hero section at the top and this centered headline with the supporting paragraph underneath. And then we've got this call to action button. You'll notice right away this green button stands out on the purple background color. Now if you click this button, it's going to jump all the way down to our pricing table at the bottom. We have a few of these buttons scattered throughout the page as well. I'll show you those, how that works shortly. But if we just drop down into this first section here, you see we've got a lovely featured content box here with this dotted line around it, or dashed line. Inside the area we've got a video that plays on the left, and then we've got a small image and some text of a person on the right. So this could be a host, someone who's hosting the course, whatever it is you're selling. This is a sales page template, so you could choose to use this image. It could even be a testimonial of someone who's purchased your product. So this whole sort of hero section here, as you see, call to action, and then a content area there as well. Then we scroll on down, we go into a large benefits section here. We've got these benefit icons that are used at the top here. We then have another section below as we carry on down. So we go from the benefits section at the top, place for you to highlight benefits about your product, not features, put in your benefits. We've then got this supporting paragraph area here, different gradient background as well, and then we drop into this image and text section. You'll notice the image is lined on the right hand side, that's done with a little bit of CSS, and then we've got the text over on the left, center aligned on the left hand side, using the same purple color as well as the header section at the top. We then drop down into another text section and another call to action button. Again, this button jumps all the way down to the pricing area on this sales page. We then go into our features area. So we've got room for a headline here, and then we've got all of these different features. Now we've used a lot of icons. You can add or remove these as you like. Keep the icons, change them up, or even delete some. So as we scroll on down, these are all icons inside OptimizePress platform. So you can use these, you can change the color as well. We've used the same purple color in that featured area. So you could, like I say, you can remove some of these if you want to. There's no need to have them all on there if you don't need to use them all. Don't just use them for the sake of it. You find icons that match your features or are similar to it, that represent a feature, and use that icon, and just remove any ones you don't need. Then drop down into this testimonial area here. You can see we're using these featured boxes again, keeping that consistency throughout the sales page. Consistency helps your pages look sharp and nice to the eye. You don't want to have different shapes of designs and colors. You want to keep consistency throughout, using your same color toning and your same patterns. We've used these little images here, again, testimonials, put in a testimonial of the person who's used your product. We then drop down into brands, adding a bit of authority, some recognition. If you've got brands that are using your products and their logos are recognized, get those on your pages as well. We then go into another little features area here. We've got 6 icons. Again, these icons are in the OptimizePress platform. You can use them, change the color of them as you like as well. So a nice little area to get into additional features about your product. We then go down into this pricing section. So you see we've got a whole headline or text block above to adding information about your pricing. We then go into these pricing columns. Now these are done with featured boxes inside OptimizePress. So they're all boxes at the top and the bottom, and then this is a list in the middle. They're set with 0 padding, which is how they sit nicely on top of each other. And you can see we've added this most popular one in the center here, slightly different color. It's that purple color, again, consistency throughout. All of our templates have this same sort of style, consistency throughout. Then we've got the credit card icons as well below those buttons, bit of reinforcing for that purchase so people can see that which credit cards you take. And then we drop down into a guarantee section. So right below that pricing, we go into the guarantee. So we're reinforcing the pricing, justifying the fact there's a guarantee included with our product. So get that on there if you've got a guarantee. We've used this guarantee column like that, again, with a call to action. And this jumps back up to the pricing. So same as the other buttons we have, if I go back up, one of the other buttons here, this jumps down. So just underneath that, again, it jumps to the pricing. And these buttons can be linked through to your cart page. And as we drop them down, we've got another section here, more text, another headline, another big icon, another place to add in a bit more information about your product, helping with the sale. And then we drop into a frequently asked questions, and you can clone these out, increase this as you get questions back from your customers. Add these to your frequently asked questions page. And then we drop into a final call to action row, a purple row, again, bit of gradient on it. And again, this button here jumps back up to the pricing section for the page. I'll just jump into the live editor and show you that pricing column we used. done with featured boxes. You could use the OptimizePress Plus Pack and have your different pricing table that's built in with it. Let's scroll on down here. We just go on down, you can see this is the pricing and it's done with these featured boxes throughout. They're all featured boxes, so you haven't got to mess with anything there, but they're all ready to use. You can just edit the content or the features that are included in your different pricing options. Now this is quite a complex pricing layout, but it's just done with featured boxes, and again you can edit any of these, go inside and edit the text you want to have appear inside each pricing option. So that's it for now. It's available in the Clubhouse. If you do use it, please do let us know on social media. We'd love to see it in action.